Hello, my name is Apelacqua, and this is my Toro College math lesson. My math lesson is going to be on multiplying and dividing signed numbers. There is rules when you multiply and divide signed numbers. To arrive at the answer, you first do the multiplication or the division without the signs. Then, here are the two rules you follow. If the original numbers have the same sign, then you make the answer positive. The second rule is that if the original numbers have opposite signs, you make the answer negative. Let's see how it works. Here are a few examples. If you take a positive 2 and you multiply it by a positive 7, you do the math first. 2 times 7 is 14. The same signs, make a positive sign. Negative 2 multiplied by negative 7, your answer is 14. What do you do about the signs? Two negatives to the same sign make a positive. Let's look at this way. Let's divide. 24 divided by 3 is 8. The same signs, it's going to be positive. Negative 24 divided by negative 3, you do the division first, the answer is 8. What's the sign going to be? Two with the same sign, it's always positive. What happens for opposite signs? Let's look at these examples. A negative 2 multiplied by a positive 7, you do the math first. 2 times 7 is 14. Now what's the sign? They're opposite signs, the answer is negative. Let's do the division. 24 divided by 3 is 8. Opposite signs, the answer is 8. Let's try one on our own. If I take a positive 4 and I multiply it by a positive 2, what's the answer? 4 times 2 is
8.
8. That's right. A positive and a positive, two of the same signs make a positive. Let's try again. Negative 6 times a negative 3. What's 6 times 3?
18.
18, that's right. Two of the same sign is going to give me a positive answer. So the answer is positive 18. Now let's see what happens when we divide. Let's say a positive 27 divided by a negative, by a positive 3, that's going to be 27 divided by 3 is
9.
9. Now let's see what sign we use. Two of the same sign gives us a
Positive.
positive. Now let's try another one. Let's say a negative 36, we're going to divide it by a positive 6. 36 divided by 6 is
6.
6. Now what's the sign going to be? A negative and a positive, they're opposite signs. What's the answer going to be?
Negative.
A negative 6. And that's how you multiply and divide signed numbers.